Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing and assembly of the Vivosun DWC Hydroponics grow system. The first thing you will see in the box is the bags of expanded clay. This is the growing medium for your plants. There is a separate bag for each bucket filled with enough expanded clay. Next come the net pots, which are also the lids for the buckets. There are 4 of them, as well as buckets. Also in the box are hoses and fittings for the air in the buckets. In addition, there are 4 blue tubes that are the scale of the water level in the bucket. Then there is an air divider for all the buckets. In the next package, you will find valves, seals, and air shutoff valves. There is a powerful air pump from Vivosun in a separate box. There's also a detailed guide on how to assemble the hydroponic system. Last but not least, there are 4 buckets to grow your plants in. The buckets take up most of the box. The first thing you need to do is to install the water level tube. To do this, insert the seals into the holes at the bottom and the top of the bucket. Insert the pipe elbow in the bottom hole and the buckle in the top hole. Then insert one end of the blue tube into the pipe elbow. Attach the top part of the blue tube to the buckle. Make a hole in the net pot. Use a wire cutter to do this. At the bottom of the net pot, you will see a place where you need to cut off pieces of plastic to make a hole. The next step is to install drip irrigation. First, insert the tube that feeds the water up into the hole you made. Then attach it to the drip irrigation ring with a T. Install the seals in the holes in the top of the bucket. Pass the air hoses through the holes. Attach an air stone to one hose. Attach a water inlet tube to the second hose. Next, install 2 valves on each tube supplying air to the bucket. The valves are needed so that water does not flow from the bucket into the pump. Then attach the air distributor to the air pump. The next thing you need to do is attach the hoses to the bucket and the valves. Then cut the hose that goes to the water pipe and mount the air regulator on it. Fill the bucket with water just below the level at which the bottom of the net pot. You can use either tap water or distilled water. Then pour the expanded clay pebbles into the netting pot. Rinse the expanded clay in water to wash off the dust. That's it. The last thing you need to do is apply electricity to the air pump. As a result, the water will start to flow into the net pot through the irrigation ring. Then you can put in the pot any plant that you have previously sprouted in the propagator.